Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a gigantic cardboard revolver with a working cylinder. The first step is to cut out the two sides of the revolver with cardboard. Cut a hole like you see here in the left side of the frame for the cylinder to swing out. Now we're going to make the cylinder mechanism. To do this, first cut out two of these pieces with the cardboard folded under them on one side and taped down, and make a small cylinder barrel. Then also take a piece of cardboard and wrap it to make this lasso shape. Roll up a cardboard tube in a cylinder for the cylinder. Make another tube, this time it's for the cylinder, and make it long enough so that it will fit in the cylinder slot and go all the way through, but also stick to this rectangle here that it will reach far enough so it will pivot. Cap it off, and the cylinder with two cardboard caps with 4 holes for cartridges, which we'll make later, and cap off the cylinder pipe with some cardboard wrapped around it to stop it from going back into the cylinder. Cap off the other end of that cylinder and take that lasso piece you made earlier and glue the cylinder to the top of that piece on the inside. Slide the other tube you made through the lasso and glue that block you made on this side of the tube to raise it up. And I didn't need the other block for the other side, so I just discarded it. Glue everything down and you have your cylinder mechanism. Next, take a piece of cardboard and roll it up to be the barrel and glue that to the inside of the gun. Bulk up the gun with some more cardboard. Glue the other side of the revolver together and you've got a basic prop so far. Next, I cleaned up the areas of the prop where there were cracks in the cardboard with some masking tape. Also, I noticed the cylinder wasn't staying in quite as well before, so in addition to tightening up the slot between where the cylinder goes in, I also made a small device at the back in a hook shape which catches on to the cap on the back of the cylinder, like so it doesn't fall out at all. Making the hammer is a two-step process. First, cut out this piece, a rectangle that will go on the back with a smaller rectangle where a hammer can go through. Next, make the actual piece by cutting out 2 hammer sides and bending a piece of cardboard to make the wall and structure in between them. Glue everything together and tape over the cracks, and there's your hammer. Fold and glue a piece of cardboard to make the front sight. To make the cartridges for this gun, I cut off some sections from a blue coat hanger and wrapped everything in paper to make the cartridge case, and then put cardboard discs at the back. Here's a shot of the 4 cartridges that I made. And here's how they work. Fold another piece of cardboard for the rear sight and glue it to the frame. Make a cardboard trigger and 2 cylinder plates at the back, and you're done with everything but painting. First step of painting is to paint the whole thing flat black. Paint the cartridges the same way. So here you can see I got started painting the gun, and I painted most of it except for the cylinder and grip and sights. Well, I didn't intentionally paint the sights. Olive drab green, or what I consider to be olive drab green. And also I painted the cartridges brass around the casings, and I'll paint the slugs a dark brown. As you can see here, I've painted the shark's mouth on the side of the gun where it should be. Also touched up on some of the areas where I accidentally painted the black paint green, or where it needs to be black in the end. Here you can see the finished cartridges. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have finished the revolver. I did come up with a name for it. I call it the R35 Hand Howie, or Hand Howitzer, chambered in .353 Magnum. I put a laser sight on it that works via a trigger on the grip, like so. And the cylinder still comes out. The cartridges come out like that. And it goes back in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial video, and I hope you guys like the final result. It looks pretty nice in person, so there's that. If you have any questions about the video, post them in the comment box below. And if you'd like to give this video a thumbs up, that'd be greatly appreciated. And check out my other videos if you have some time. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a good day.